Oh, why is it doing this tonight? Oh my god. I have no clue why it's doing that. Porzingis? Gotcha. Alrighty. Leaf history cut signature. That's our list. Pull up a random.org here. Maybe. Randomize 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Who'd you get, Eric? Rangers and Nationals. Come on, Babe Ruth. That's what you meant by baby, right? Again, this is 2015 Leaf Cut Signature number 6. All right, good luck. Burley Grimes, 24 of 24. No idea. It's like the last team he played for. Have to see if I can find it. Last team he played for was the Pirates. That is Steven, Q-U-I. He was the last pitcher permitted to throw the spitball. He played in the 1910s, 20s, and 30s. Retired in 34 with the Pirates. Burley Grimes. There you go, Steven. Got you another cut sig. You kill those things. Yeah, if you look at here. Right here. Last team. Right there, the Pirates. This is Baseball Reference. Oh, okay. Guess I didn't look at that. Guess that would help too.